S is for snake with Hopi. Welcome to a world of wonder where every day is a secret adventure. Meet Hopi, a girl with a big imagination, and her best friend Slinky. S is for snake, and Slinky is the softest, green-spotted snake you've ever seen. Today, they are searching for everything that starts with the letter S. S is for sun and sand. Hopi and Slinky head to the shore. Hopi builds a super sandcastle with a shiny shovel, while Slinky wears silver sunglasses to stay cool. They search the sea for seashells and watch the small waves splash. "Look at this spiral shell, Slinky," Hopi says. S is for slide. At the park, they find a silver slide that is super steep. Hopi climbs the steps, and Slinky slithers right behind her. With a whoosh, they slide down with incredible speed. It is so much fun that they want to do it 7 more times. S is for spaceship. Hopi and Slinky hop into a silver rocket. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 blast off into the stars. They soar through space, waving at the smiling moon. Slinky uses his tail to point at a spinning satellite as they zoom across the night sky. S is for soap. After their space trip, it is time for a sudsy bath. Hopi makes a mountain of bubbles, and Slinky splashes in the sink. They use a soft sponge to get squeaky clean. Watch out, Slinky! A giant bubble is landing on your nose. Hopi laughs. S is for swing in the garden. Hopi sits on the wooden seat while Slinky wraps himself around the rope. They swing so high they can almost touch the summer clouds. The wind feels soft on their faces as they go back and forth in the sunshine. S is for submarine. They dive deep into the salty sea in a bright yellow sub. Through the glass, they see shimmering seaweed and silver fish. Slinky is surprised to see a sea turtle swimming by. It is a secret world under the splashing waves. S is for snow. When winter comes, Hopi and Slinky grab a red sled. They slide down the snowy hill, flipping and sliding all the way to the bottom. Slinky wears a striped scarf to stay snug while the snowflakes fall softly on his head. S is for snack. All that sliding made them hungry. Hopi spreads out a picnic blanket for a special supper. They have square sandwiches and sweet strawberry slices. "Strawberries are my favorite snack," Slinky says with a satisfied hiss of joy. S is for sleep. The stars are shining, and it is time for a story. Slinky snuggles up at the end of the bed while Hopi reads about sleeping sheep. "Sweet dreams, Slinky," Hopi whispers. They fall fast asleep, dreaming of all the splendid things that start with S. S is for snake with Hopi. Subscribe Hopi and Friends.